The biggest mistake cyclists make with action cameras is choosing their angle before the ride starts. Welcome to episode 3. The $500 Insta360 X4 changes everything because you capture 360 degrees now and choose the perfect angle later. Paired with a $30 invisible selfie stick, it creates a floating drone shot that looks incredible. For 2026, Insta360 dropped 2 essential cycling mounts. The $40 headset cap mount gives an ultra-clean cockpit view, but the real game changer is the $50 third-person handlebar mount. It extends completely behind and above you like a video game chase cam. Here is where buyers get tricked. They default to the single-lens 4K mode. Avoid this. Always shoot in 8K 30 frames per second, 360 mode. It requires more SD card space, but 8K gives you the maximum resolution to crop without looking muddy. The magic happens after the ride in the free Insta360 app. This is called reframing. You just swipe your screen to look forward, backward, or sideways, and tap the plus icon to drop a keyframe. The app builds the pan. For example, drop one keyframe looking forward, pan left to a mountain vista for the second. Finally, turn backward to show your group. You have just built a continuous, professional panning shot entirely in post-production. If you ride trails, handlebar mounts vibrate too much. The fix is a $25 Ulenzi magnetic chest mount paired with a stick angled outward. This creates a highly stable, center mass view that is perfect for time-shift hyperlapses. The app also features Shot Lab, which uses AI to automatically build effects like barrel rolls or dolly zooms. But here is a practical warning. Use these sparingly. 1 dolly zoom looks highly professional. 5 just looks like a cheap gimmick. When exporting, your reframed 8K source footage can be output as a crisp 4K flat video. You can export a standard widescreen video for YouTube and immediately reframe that exact same clip vertically for Instagram Shorts. If your budget is strictly limited this weekend, skip the fancy mounts. Just grab the X4 and the 120cm stick. Zip tie it vertically to your hydration pack for an overhead group ride angle that costs you literally nothing extra. Your homework this weekend: shoot a 10-minute ride in 8K and practice dropping just 3 keyframes to create one perfect pan. This instantly elevates your videos. Get out there and start reframing.